Hey, what's up? It's a beautiful day today. It's Thursday, November 16th. I took a day off from work to go hit up 508 International. It's their last day open for the weekday for the season, I believe. And it's going to be 60 degrees today, so why not? We're going to go rip on the YZ250F. Let's get after it. Here we go. We're going to work on a few things today at the track. As far as technique, I'm not sure what we're going to do yet or what I'm going to do, but we'll see what I'm feeling when I get there. But we'll pick a couple, maybe two things to work on riding style wise. All right, stay tuned.
The destination is on your left, 508 International. Arrived.
All right, we're at 508, just about to head out for a moto. Thought about what I'm gonna work on today. They watered the track. It's got like a top greasy mud layer, so waiting for that to kind of clear off, or I'm just gonna go out. But things I'm gonna work on today are, I have a bad habit of corner entrance speed. I'm not flowy with that, so coming into like the ruts, I gotta like lay off the brakes and kind of roll into them faster. And then that's the first thing I'm going to work on. Second thing will be after that, or in between, I'll work on like flat tracking turns, kind of like bite on the sidewall of the tire, see what we got. I'll probably gonna go out there and do like a 20+ minute moto, and then I'll do probably like 3 15s or more sprintish motos. That's what I'm working on today. All right, let's get after it. All right, we'll do a lap here at 508. I'm riding with my buddy Kevin and Daryl. We're gonna do a lap with my view behind Kevin, and that way you can see the depth and the speed. You got someone to gauge it off of as far as an object, or obviously a friend of mine riding in front of me. So you get on the track and you hit that first table. Then this is kind of like a gradual dragon's back that goes to this right-hander. Mad at here, hit this double right here. I was always going outside today. Inside was real greasy. A lot of mud today. Can you please make it stop being muddy? Everywhere I go is mud this year. You got that table with the single here, and then a left-hander over the mound. Take this right-hand hairpin in the ruts. I was taking the inside here, and then this outside turn. Going like a bat out of hell. That was Darrow right there. Hitting this table, then hitting this other secondary table. In this section right here, I was struggling a lot today, kind of flat tracking it. I was standing up right here and ripping the side of the berm is the best I felt on it. Trying to hit that triple thing, didn't make it. Then there's that huge jump, which I'm not doing, so I'm doubling and then singling. Going outside most of the day here was preferred for me. A single hump there, going down this gradual hill, and then you're coming up this single hump and then going up the hill. So you're coming out of this hill. This is a tabletop, I'd say. You know, straightaway right here to 3 rollers. Manage to get over those as fast as you can. Then hit that table to this left-hander. I was almost every lap going inside, which was muddy as hell. Then you're hitting this tabletop, taking a right-hander after this straightaway. That guy Kevin in front of me stealing my lines. He'll laugh after he sees this, roosting the hell out of me. Then I'm hitting this big table, coming down this straightaway as fast as I can, 4th gear, downshift to 3rd right here on this 250F, and hitting the inside. And then that's 1 lap at 5:08, and I'll shut up, let you continue to watch this video if you'd like. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. And if you see me at the track, come say hi. I might have a t-shirt I could give you or whatever. If not, that's cool, whatever. All right, continue to watch. I'll catch you at the next. Later. What's up? Well, I just finished my day off at 508 International. I think they said they were open Saturday and Sunday, but this is the last week unless weather permitting. after the holidays, Thanksgiving or whatever, or around that time, maybe they'll have some more ride days, but they'll post it. Today, what I was supposed to be working on that I mentioned was corner entrance speed and flat tracking. Kind of went out the window because when I got out there, it was like a mud bog, real slippery. I couldn't get on the gas, or I couldn't stop in time because it was like mud, greasy, slicky stuff. But anyway, I still worked on that. I did not feel fast today. I wasn't, I mean, I was going all right. I just didn't feel fast, obviously, because I didn't have any traction. But all in all, 60-degree day on my dirt bike. What else can I ask for? So all positives take over the negatives. But yeah, I did a 24-minute moto and then 3 15-minute motos. So I got my time in, and I worked on a couple things, just not what I had in mind, but it's all good. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you later.